How to do payroll on QuickBooks Desktop. First, you want to update QuickBooks Desktop, so go to Help, Update QuickBooks, then click Update Now tab. Check all the boxes and install the latest 2026 Payroll update. Set up payroll, so navigate to Employees, Payroll Center, Payroll Setup, and follow the wizard to add employees. Enter pay rates, set up tax settings, federal and state, and configure benefits and deductions. Enter employee info to create employee profiles with name, address, EIN, social security, W-4 filing, pay type, which is hourly or salary, and payment method, check or deposit. Then set pay schedule in the payroll center. Create your pay schedule, which is either weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly. Then run the payroll, so go to employees, pay employees, start scheduled payroll. Enter hours for hourly employees, salaries autofill, review wages, taxes, deductions, and then click Create Paychecks. Pay employees, so choose to print checks or authorize direct deposit, then submit. Pay payroll taxes, go to employees. Payroll taxes, review amounts due, and pay via payroll liabilities according to your direct deposit schedule. And then verify and report, run payroll summary and tax liability reports. So reports, employee, and payroll to confirm everything is correct. If this helps, subscribe.